welcome back to a brand new video, and today is going to be a really good one because today I can't really fit the whole screen, but got my my PS5 package. So using scissors to open this up. Out, and right off the bat we have a controller. You guys can see the controller. Put that to the side, and then we got the two games, Demon Souls and Spider-Man Ultimate Launch Edition, Miles Morales. Put those to the side. This is gonna be big. Get that out. Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. So as you guys can see right here, PS5. Man, this thing weighs like 15 pounds. It has you guys can't really see. It has an 8K and then the 4K 120 and the HDR on the top right. 825 gigabytes, and I heard that a lot of games are taking a lot of space, so probably not even gonna be enough. Okay, so this we just open it here too. One, put that. Oh, okay. That's out. Once you guys open it, we have the controller right here. Put that to the side. The power cord, I think, if I'm not wrong. Some manuals, and then this is, I think this was a charging cord. This is this is the stand for the PS5. And then this is the HDMI cord. And then the last thing. Put this to the side. And here's the PS5. Let's stand it up right here. Okay. So here's the PS5. Oh, it's actually pretty big. Let me push that back. Look, you guys can see it right there. That thing is really big. And I got the disc one, so you can put the disc games. So that's the... Okay, so that's how you turn it on right here in the bottom. Oh, you can't really see it, but there's a button right here in the bottom. And then this is the eject button right on top of it. Now in the back. In the back you have the, you know, the power cord, the LAN cable, the HDMI cable. Yeah. And then I don't know what these top blue ones are for, but that looks really nice. Super big. I'm gonna do all this later, but let's look at the other things. So the controller. I'll actually bring this closer. So the controller. I really like these. I've actually I got a pre-order, I pre-ordered one, and I was able to get it on launch day. Well, because I knew I was gonna get a PS5, and I was just like, you know, why not? So I looked at it already, so I already know about all this. I mean, I think it's a perfect controller. I really like the back part too. Like, if it's just like, it feels like natural in a way. And then the PlayStation button. And then these buttons for sure, these ones, for sure. And then, okay, let me bring this up, okay. Okay, so the games I've got, these are all pre-ordered. I got these before I even ordered a PS5. So I got the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War one. I got the Godfall. So I already had this Ultimate Launch Edition Spider-Man Miles Morales, but GameStop was only selling the bundles. So I mean, I'll probably just, you know, give it back to GameStop, the extra one, because I only need 2 of them. And then I got the Mortal Kombat 11. Yeah, Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimates. And then and I also have there's some other pre-orders I still need to pick up. I need to pick up the charging stand. The camera is coming in like later December, and then Overcooked, All You Can Eat, that one's gonna be a fun game. And then Hitman 3, I know that's gonna be like in a while. And then Destruction All Stars, I got those all pre-ordered and waiting for them to get to GameStop so I could pick it up. And I also got it's called a Razer Razer Nari wireless gaming headset. I'll open this up for you guys. Nice. So I got all this stuff. So put that on the side. So I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch and posting a lot more videos, but more like gaming. I'm probably gonna do some like vlogs and some other videos like mukbang, stuff like that. But for the time being, I'll probably be uploading more gaming videos and stuff. And yeah, if you guys want to check out my Twitch, it's JD Truth. I'll leave a link down in the description, and like, comment, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed, this is not fake. Here, I'll knock it. So this is not fake. It's actually real. So I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch. I don't have any set days or schedule or anything that just like for YouTube, because I have a lot of work like and school. So like I'm still kind of like trying to adjust in a way. So once I get all that figured out and I get a set, then I'll let you guys know when I have the schedule for each like time I stream or when I upload a video. And I think that will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Comment if you guys have a PS5, or if you guys are struggling with the PS5, because I definitely struggled to get one. And also comment if you guys like any of these games, or if you guys have your own favorite, or if you guys even like Xbox. I don't really like. I like PlayStation more, but it's not like I hate Xbox people or stuff like that. So so yeah, make sure to comment that, and subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.